Yo, so we back with a banger. As y'all can see, I'm back on my camera. You feel me? I got my GoPro back. But yeah, today I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but we're probably gonna be getting some GoPro footage. I'm probably put it on the car today. Yesterday I had it on my head. I'm probably put it on the car today. So yeah, it's only like 10 o'clock right now. I'm about to get active. So yeah, let's get into this video, man. I don't know. I'm gonna definitely put this bitch on my car today. We gonna see. It ain't too bad outside. I'm gonna give you a POV of the car too. Walk around the car, stuff like that.
2 days later.
YouTube, we back, man. It's been a long couple days, bro. I was been supposed to drop a video for y'all boys, cause I'm gonna drop a video every time I hit 100 views or 200 views. It don't even matter. I don't even care about the K's no more. I'm dropping these videos for y'all, and just because I like dropping these videos. Well, as y'all can hear, I'm at the tire shop right now. I did get some new rims, like I told y'all in the last clip. I did get some new rims. I don't know if I'm gonna put that clip in there actually, but I do got new rims. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all once the car done, and they done. They got the car up in the air right now, and yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all when this bitch done. I'm gonna pick this camera up. All right, YouTube, man, y'all know how we do. We put the camera in the sky before y'all get to say hello. I know. Boy, if you don't get but man, let me show y'all this the car, bro. The camera focus. That's how she looking now, man. Totally different car with the rims. I'm trying to tell y'all, totally different car. It came out good. I am gonna get some bigger tires for the back, even though it's kind of sticking out right now. I'm only like 255s, but we're gonna get some new tires for the car for sure. Definitely gotta get some bigger tires. I want to go 315 to 305s. But I'm not sure yet. Look how crazy it is. Don't mind. Focus. So yeah, shit look pretty crazy. I don't know. I damn near don't know what to say. Shit look good. Those rims definitely do justice, bro. So what y'all think next for the mods, bro? We're probably gonna be doing the front splitter, wicker bill, diffuser, exhaust pipes, exhaust tips. Let me know, comment down below what y'all think we doing next, bro, or what y'all want me to do. Shit, I'm trying to do all that. But yeah, man, woo, definitely came out way better than I thought it was gonna look. We do gotta go to the car wash and clean the car off like that. But yeah, man, definitely need a car wash. Definitely need to clean the rims off. But it's cool though. Came out pretty nice. One cap. How's my shit don't look like that? Look, my shit could look like that, but it don't. It look like this. Yeah, man, this just came out hard though, man. Yeah. So I don't know what we got planned for the rest of the video, the rest of the day, for real. But yeah. Shit. We at this gas station getting gas, bro. This bitch got excellent light. No cap. Premium. Control the video, what it looking like. Look how my hands are. It's cold as fuck out here. Low keto. So this joint came out good. Let me get him and take a thumbnail picture. I don't do it like that. But yeah, came out hard, bro. Can't wait to show y'all when it's clean. Like I said, comment down below. Like I was saying, let me know what y'all think we're gonna be doing next, bro. Or comment down below what y'all think I should do next if I haven't did it already. I know y'all probably gonna be saying stars in the roof or stuff like that. That's coming, don't worry, that's coming. You can comment that too. That'll probably push me to get it even faster, or like push that video out faster. But it's coming, definitely, it's coming. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like the rims that I put on the car. I told y'all I'm trying to be different. I might change them again, I might not, but I'm definitely gonna rock these for a good minute. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be changing the colors of them, doing like that. If y'all know me, y'all know that I'm gonna get the best out of I'm gonna get the best out of these rims. You feel me? That means I'm gonna change the color about 4 or 5 times. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to these rims before I just let them go. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope y'all like this video. If you messing with the channel so far, man, subscribe, bro. That's all you gotta do, subscribe, you know. honestly don't know what's going on with my phone right now, but it's tripping. So yeah, like I was saying, we about to end the video off. Hope y'all liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Yeah, tune in to the next video. I'm out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.